How's it going, guys? This is my 2022 Homesteader V-Nose trailer. It's a 6x12. Recently just bought a epoxy kit. So I got everything all taped up all around the edges. I already painted this thing last year. It's a little dirty on the inside from doing work. But I might repaint it tonight real quick, but this floor is gonna look a lot better. Stay tuned, I'll show you guys what it looks like right at the end. Starting tomorrow, first thing.
What's up, guys? Today I'm painting my trailer. I'm doing the flooring, doing the epoxy flooring for the whole thing. And I'm recording it and show you guys how to do it. Got my epoxy mix all mixed up. I got my paint chips right here, brushes, and rollers. So let's get it over. Still look a little bit different. Let's roll some. pretty good.
Alright guys, this is my 6x12 V-nose trailer, enclosed trailer. And this is the after. I feel like it turned out pretty good. Started to run a little bit of low of chips towards the end, but other than that, it looks good. Like, got all my tie downs and stuff all done. The tape held up pretty good. It looks pretty nice. I might get another can of that spray like finisher, but other than that though, it looks nice. So I'll put in the description, the link below, what all the supplies I used and everything, and I got all my stuff from Lowe's. So, but yeah, it turns out pretty damn good. I'm gonna paint all of that black and then put like that metal type grate right there, and then my trim right here on the side, I'm just gonna paint all black, and then probably maybe the edge two pieces right here. But yeah, it looks pretty darn good, better than nasty looking wood. So heck yeah guys. Well, I plan on posting all my projects and stuff on here, so if you guys want to see some more, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.